Hello everyone, today I'm really excited. I just received my Tsmine spin mop. This came highly recommended by my sister. I stored it in her house, I saw the way it worked, and it just worked wonders. We're going to put this together and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So you got your headpiece here, which you're going to add your mop adapter, which comes with 6 mops, right? So you're going to snap it right in so you hear the snap. There you go. Alright. You got your snapper here too. You're gonna put your silicone thread here. This silicone protects your furniture, your floor, in case you get to the point where you're mopping and it's dry. You don't want it scuffing up your floors. So you're gonna put this all the way around your edges. All right. Here we go. Voila. All right. Then you're gonna connect your mop to it. Now. You have your piece here where you're supposed to take this piece off first, right? And you're gonna put it in through here, add your adapter in, and this is the part that's gonna secure it. You gotta make sure that it's secured very tight. Okay? Here you have your lock and your unlock, so you definitely wanna have it locked so it doesn't drop in. And it comes with 2 poles. I can basically put this one in if I was a short person. And since I'm tall, I'm going to put the long part in. I'm going to lock this piece in. I'm going to lock this piece in. Like I said, I saw my sister use it. I have high ceilings, high walls. So this will definitely be good for dusting. You can grab any types of dust. As you can see from the top. See, you can dust your walls. People don't understand, but walls do get dusty. All right, your cabinets. You have here is your mop. Okay, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. I'm gonna drop some prune juice on the floor. All right, here we go. I did a little mess. I think we'll do the trick. I'm gonna drop the mop in here. Now, before you spin it, you gotta make sure that it's on. And that won't on it spin. Now, you're gonna spin it. You gotta have it in the upright position. And we're gonna grab it, put it in the dryer, in the same style. Now before you use it, you wanna make sure that you lock it in, because you don't want it to spin while it's on the floor. I'm gonna grab this, and oh, there you go. This is how it works. You have 2 functions also. Before you mop, you wanna have it in an angle so you can reach smaller places and corners and get in there. I mean, I saw my sister using it in the house and I said, where you get one? I gotta get one. I didn't get one. I got 2. I got one for my basement and one for my living room. This is amazing. Like I said, I saw it work. You're about to drop it in. Before you drop it in, you want to put it in the upright position and you want to snap it back in. Hold on. You gotta make sure that it's on. It's not on, it won't spin. See how it's spinning? And you're gonna grab it. Oh man, this is smooth product. And grab it, lock it in, and here we go. This is a great product. Don't take my word for it. Try it on your own and let me know what you think. Amazing.